If your diesel engine is starting to act a bit sluggish, or you notice your fuel economy is dropping faster than a rock in a lake, you might be staring at the P0254 code. This one is all about the injection pump fuel metering control in the I circuit, and it basically means the computer is seeing a voltage signal that is way too high, usually staying above 4.8 volts for too long. This code is a regular guest for Mercedes-Benz and Volkswagen owners, but it can pop up on any modern diesel truck from Ford or Ram too. Inside or on the side of your injection pump there is an FARPI sensor and a fuel quantity actuator that work together to tell the PICM exactly how much diesel is being shoved into the injector. When that signal goes high, the computer loses its ability to fine-tune the fuel delivery, which is why your engine starts feeling off. The good news is that this is typically an electrical circuit issue rather than a mechanical failure of the pump itself, so the PICM can usually compensate enough to keep you moving. To fix this, you want to start by hunting down that FRPI sensor on the injection pump and checking the plug for any loose pins or that nasty green corrosion that loves to eat away at electrical connections. Give it a good spray with some contact cleaner and make sure the terminals are tight. If the connections are solid, get your DVOM out and test the power and ground wires at the harness with the key on and the engine off. You should see a clean 5 or 12 volts, and if that checks out, move over to the signal wire, which should also show 5 volts. If all the wiring tests pass, then the sensor or the fuel quantity actuator itself has likely given up the ghost. Just remember that if you end up having to replace the PICM, it will need to be programmed specifically for your vehicle to get everything talking correctly again. But most of the time, a thorough cleaning of the connectors or a new sensor will get you back on the road without too much drama.